A day at the market. Today, I went to the local market to buy some fresh fruit and vegetables. As soon as I arrived, I noticed how busy it was. People were walking around, chatting, and bargaining for good prices. I walked up to a stand and greeted the seller. "Good morning. How are you today?" "I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How about you?" I smiled and said, "I'm doing well, thanks. I'd like to buy some apples and bananas." The seller pointed to a basket of apples and said, "These apples are fresh and sweet. They are just in season." I picked up a few and asked, "How much are they?" "They're $3 per kilogram," she replied. I said, "Okay, I'll take a kilogram of apples, please. And I'll also get some bananas." She packed them into a bag and said, "That will be $7 in total." I handed her the money and thanked her. "Thank you. Have a great day." She smiled and said, "You too. Enjoy your fruit." As I walked around the market, I also saw some beautiful flowers. I decided to buy a small bouquet for my house. When I paid for the flowers, the seller said, "Are these flowers for a special occasion?" I smiled and answered, "No, just to brighten up my home."
Useful expressions for listening practice. How are you today? Good. How about you? These apples are fresh and sweet. They are just in season. How much are they? I'll take item, please. That will be amount in total. Thank you. Have a great day. Is this for a special occasion?
Just to brighten up my home.